people using Suricata 7 or 6 can upgrade to Suricata 8, and most of the things should be more or less the same, only hopefully better. We've added many protocols, we've added many detection keywords, we've added a lot of output capabilities, we've added a lot of extensibility through plugins and a better library use case. We also added a new sort of run mode where Suricata can operate more like a traditional firewall instead of a IDS IPS. We've focused a lot on code quality. We've improved the fuzz testing, for example. So there is a lot better, a lot more fuzz testing that finds more bugs. Major components have been moved to Rust, which is generally a safer language for the type of work that we do. Yeah, so it's lots of improvements across the board. I would say that Suricata 8 is definitely a very capable IDS IPS engine. I would generally kind of be cautious with comparing it to complete products out there, because I see Suricata much more as an engine or a building block for those kind of products. And in fact, we do see Suricata being used in many commercial security products, and that is actually one of our intents, is that we build an engine that you can integrate. We are mostly a development group, and so we don't deploy Suricata in real world environments. So we rely heavily on feedback of actual users, especially in larger scale environments, to tell us what features are missing, where does the performance bottlenecks show up, and all kinds of other things. We're talking to the rule writers of different groups to get a sense of what features and detection capabilities they are missing, and or what can be improved. I think so far the feedback on Suricata 8 has been pretty good. I don't think we've seen any major show-stopping bugs, which is also a testament to our improved QA processes. We've invested a lot of time and energy in trying to test the code base a lot more thoroughly, and so I think it's overall been good. What we need more from the community is essentially, well, I guess everything, but so I think we one of the things that we would really like to see more is testing of beta releases and release candidates. My number one request to the community is, like, if you're a vendor, if you're a rule writer, please jump into these evaluations earlier and give us the feedback so that we can improve things. Suricon is a great conference. We've done, I guess, 10 of them by now, some of them virtual, but most of them in person. And it's just always great to get the community together, to get the team together. So the Suricata development team is spread out over the world. So we only get together about twice a year or something. So one of them is at Suricon. So everyone's always very excited and eager to hang out. Lots and lots of conversations happen there with Suricata integrators, with power users, with new users. It's just great to be together. Suricon is supported by the community, usually by vendors generally. We usually have a vendor area sort of out where people hang out for coffee and everything, and we always hear from the vendors that they get great conversations there with community members. And I think the community members that are present are really distributed over a large, I guess demographic would be the word. So we have people in leadership roles, we have people in very technical roles, we have researchers, academia. So it's a really nice slice of the community, I suppose. So for the next couple of months, even though most people will just start exploring Suricata 8, from the development team, and some of the community members, I think our focus is already looking ahead to Suricata 9. And so in the coming months, including at Suricon, we'll be looking a lot at what Suricata 9 is going to be, or what we want it to be. So we will be building a roadmap. We will be talking to community members, and we will be doing the brainstorm session at Suricon. And so all these things together should lead to a Suricata 9 roadmap probably around the end of the year. I just kind of want to invite people to really think in the next few months what they think that Suricata 9 should be. Because in the next 3 or 4 months or so, we'll put together a roadmap for Suricata 9, and we would like to get everyone's input.